So iPhones have always been one of my favorite devices, and there's been a few things I've actually been able to do for the most part to actually increase the speed of my iPhone. Now, the biggest and best thing that I've ever done before that actually has improved my iPhone like crazy in terms of speed was usually by backing all of my data up and factory resetting it. This has by far been the best thing I've ever been able to do, and I don't know why more people don't do it, probably because it takes a lot of work. But what I would recommend doing first of all is making as many backups of your iPhone as possible in as many different ways as possible. So back up all of your photos, back up all your videos, back up the applications, do an iCloud backup, or back up to your PC. And then whenever you're done backing up all your data, you want to go ahead and make your way over to General. You want to just factory reset it by scrolling down, clicking Transfer Reset iPhone, erase all content after making sure you have everything backed up, and then you can go and further on. If you want the most effective way of making your iPhone feel brand new, and that is literally it. Then after setting it back up, you restore all your data, and that it's crazy how much faster the phone will feel after you do something like that. It's insane. Now there's lots of other smaller things you can try doing. The first thing you want to do though is make sure you are not on low power mode. So low power mode is basically the option of making your iPhone perform a little bit less. It's not as fast, but it saves a little bit more battery. So if you want to enable low power mode, if you want to make sure you even see, even if you have it on, you can also make your way over to your specific account here in your settings. You can then go ahead and make your way over to battery, which is right here. And then you can just go ahead and make sure low power mode is not enabled. If you make sure that's the case, then you'll see that your device is pretty much working, and you can just make sure you're not on low power mode anymore, which is amazing. Now the other thing, what you want to make sure is that you basically want to make sure you're not almost out of storage. Sometimes if your phone is almost out of storage, you might see that your phone is performing very, very poorly. So what I'd recommend doing here is making your way back into your iPhone settings. I'm going to scroll down into your storage. So go into General right here, then go into iPhone storage, which is right up here. And then what you want to do is this tab, just make sure you are not almost out of storage. If you are almost out of storage, just go ahead and again, delete the applications you no longer need. And that's another big thing you can probably try doing as well. Now, if that's still not working, let's say you're going through all that and your data and your phone is basically still slow or whatnot, the other thing you can try doing that I've done before is basically updating your iPhone. Sometimes if your iPhone is on a very outdated version of software, your phone may be too slow and it may not even be performing that well on that version of software. So what you probably want to try doing is make your way back into your settings of your phone, click on General, click on Software Update, and all you're going to want to do is go and see if there's an update available. If there is, you can just install that update as you normally would, and that will honestly probably make your phone a little bit faster as well. Maybe it'll make it slower, but there's a chance it'll make it faster as well and make it a little bit more stable. So in terms of that, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.